In 2007, deep inside a limestone cave in Luzon, scientists found a single foot bone. Just one bone, but it rewrote the story of humanity in Southeast Asia. It was 67,000 years old. It belonged to a human, but not any human. This was a different species altogether. The discovery stunned the world. It wasn't Taban man. It wasn't Homo sapiens. It wasn't even Homo erectus. It was something else, something new. This is the true story of Homo luzonensis, the new human species found in the Philippines. Long before cities, long before kingdoms, the archipelago now called the Philippines was a vast network of untamed islands. Archaeologists once believed Homo erectus was the first to migrate into the region, arriving from Africa into Java by around 1.5 million years ago. Then came Taban man, found in Palawan in the 1960s. For decades, that fossil, dated to around 47,000 years ago, was considered the earliest known human presence in the country. But the record was incomplete. Fossils in the tropics decay rapidly, and much of the region remained unexplored. That changed in 2007. A team of Filipino and international archaeologists explored Callao Cave, a site in Cagayan, Luzon. What they found would challenge everything currently accepted about human evolution in Asia. The find was almost accidental. Dr. Armand Mijares, a Filipino archaeologist, was leading a modest excavation in Callao Cave. In 2003, earlier digs yielded little. But in 2007, they dug deeper, literally and historically. At 1.5 meters deep, they uncovered a small right third metatarsal bone, part of a foot. At first glance, it seemed ordinary. But radiometric dating revealed it to be 67,000 years old. This made it the oldest known human fossil in the Philippines, predating Taban man by 20,000 years. Later excavations unearthed more bones, teeth, fingers, toes. And these new pieces didn't fit any known puzzle. They were too different. In 2019, scientists confirmed this was a new species, Homo luzonensis. Homo luzonensis showed a combination of primitive and advanced traits. Their teeth were small but with archaic features. Their fingers and toes were curved, suggesting climbing ability, unlike modern Homo sapiens. Their size was also small, likely under 4 feet tall. This paralleled findings in Indonesia, where Homo floresiensis, a similarly small human species, once lived. Island dwarfism, a known evolutionary phenomenon, may have influenced this. What's more fascinating is that Homo luzonensis appears to have evolved in isolation, on Luzon, cut off from other human populations. No skull has been found, so their appearance remains speculative. But their bones speak volumes about survival and adaptation. Luzon was never connected to mainland Asia by land. Even during ice ages, it remained isolated by sea. This means that Homo luzonensis must have crossed open water. They may have used bamboo rafts or drifted unintentionally. Either way, this makes them some of the earliest known ocean crossers in human history. Their presence proves that early humans were capable of seafaring tens of thousands of years before previously thought. Migration into the Philippines was not accidental. It was deliberate, driven by exploration and survival. When Homo luzonensis was officially announced in 2019, global headlines briefly reported it. But the public reaction was muted. Much of this may stem from geographic bias. Major discoveries in Africa or Europe often receive more attention. But Homo luzonensis changes the narrative, placing Southeast Asia at the center of human evolution. Even within the Philippines, public awareness remains limited. Textbooks and school curricula are still catching up. Yet, this discovery is one of the most important paleoanthropological finds of the 21st century. Homo luzonensis was not Homo sapiens. But they were human. They lived, climbed, walked, and possibly even used tools. They were part of the story of this region, long before written language, before colonization, before recorded history. Their discovery is a reminder that the Philippines holds secrets still buried, still waiting to expand the understanding of human history. These islands were not remote outposts. They were crossroads of human migration, experimentation, and survival.